Furnace one of 69 in the Hanging Rock region. That would have been what the store looked, office and store. And the furnace. The pause to read it. And the covered bridge. Get to the furnace in a minute. Hanging Rock region is this area here. Furnace locations. So we've been to Madison Limestone. You can't go to all of them, I know that. Not all of them are still here. Oh, the railroad lines too. See, I don't think any. Hope is there. Solinsky, Vinton, and Eagle are there. Buckeye's here. I don't think we've been to Keystone yet. We haven't been to Richland. I want to see all of them. These ones are my favorites. We were almost at Lincoln, but we couldn't find it. Okay. Hanging Rock region. Hit the pause to read. He was doing his GoPro. Hit the pause to read it. Okay. That's the museum. We've never been in the museum. First time we came, it was closed. It's probably closed today. Well, there's a guy back there now. Might be where Buckeye came from last time. If you watched my video back in there, I think it was 2020, 2021. There was a little dog that followed us everywhere. Walked with us. We called him Buckeye. There's the covered bridge. There's the office and store. Which I'm pretty sure it's closed today. So this would have been the scales right here. You can pause to read that if you want. So this would have been their scales. Let's stroll up here by the... Can't remember if I did this last time I was here or not. I would like to get in this museum someday, but so far we ain't got lucky. Okay. I can try. They lived in long houses. Social life in the furnished communities did not vary greatly from that of other small towns. Okay, going up the hill. Nothing really special about that, it's just barn. Boy, they need to mow their grass too. Jeez. Who takes care of this? That was like a barn for something, I can't remember now. Bridge loft and charge house is what this is here. I think it might be dark in here. Yep. Cold and hot blast iron making. Saw the information about that. Here's how much a year. Hot blast. Cold blast. Charging the furnace. You can pause it to read it. Front view, front cross view. Side view, side cross view.
Being able to see down through these holes.
A little trippy. Buckeye furnace. This is the furnace. This is the best furnace in Ohio.
8 to 12 men were required.
I think last time we walked up here around this too. I love how these just look like pyramids. So stinking cool. I swear, more people need to check this out because this is some of the coolest stuff in Ohio. I'm telling you, this is amazing. Look how big that is. Hopefully. Oh, that door's open. Yes. We can go in there. Super exciting.
Oh, it doesn't burn anymore.
What? That's okay. It's still cool. I love this big wheel. And there's the furnace itself. That is a beauty.
T. Price Builder, maybe?
Can't tell. Okay. I love this big wheel. I think it spun last time we were here, but it don't go now. It's here. Shipment of iron, pig iron. That's what they did here. You can pause it to read it. Labor at the charcoal furnaces. The workforce. So you can pause this to read it. Got a lot of workers though. And this was back when it was no electricity and rough working conditions. Just look at that. That was the olive furnace. And then workmen separating pig iron at the casting house at Olive. And then casting house with pig pads. And then dyeing the cast. 8 to 12 men were required. So this gives you an idea of what it looked like inside. What is the workman? So 1, 2, 3, the whole process. Well, that's like really dark. Can't get it any. There we go. That is just amazing. Love that thing.
Ball thingies don't spin.
I feel like there was something else last time.
I mean, it could have been. I just don't know.
These were the things we were playing with last time. Because we're dorks.
They don't spin now. There was oil or something in that little thingy
Yeah.
before.